What's good, gang? I said, what's good, gang? We back with another video. And today, me and my landlord are going to buy a new bed. So you're probably wondering, how did I break this bed? How y'all think I broke the bed, huh? How y'all think I broke the bed? How y'all think I broke it?
Watch out, watch out, watch out! You gotta be kidding me.
Well, I broke it because I moved it. So she had it set up where it was facing this way, but it was in the corner. And I was trying to clean back there and I got tired of it. So I moved the bed, but I end up breaking that bitch. So we're gonna buy a new bed and I'm gonna put it like right here. I think it'll be better that way so it's not in any of the corners. But yeah, I'm about to get changed and then we're gonna go to the store. I think I'm feeling these more. Hey, shout out to my cousin. We got the Jergens, baby. Even in Asia, we got the Jergens. Mega Furniture Market. Let's see what they got. It look good. It's just the number don't look good.
Around there it's like 7,000-8,000, and this is just 6,500. It's your color. Good.
Can we get it for 5,500?
Cannot.
Cannot?
Oh,
Did you ask?
she already said it's a clearance price already.
Can we get the super clearance?
Only is this price.
Well, we ain't looking at that price. We're looking at that big one. I only want one thing, the bed. We came here for a bed, not a dresser. They buy it. I buy that, you buy that. What? Just take it out the rent. I'll buy both, but you have to take that one out the rent then.
You think it's gonna go with the cupboard?
Yeah, I think it'll look good. See how I hit it with that smile? Look, now she wanna get it. Look at it. Look at that. High five. You're not gonna find one that matches. You'll have to replace the entire thing.
Yeah, that's what you're gonna do for
No,
me.
no.
Because I
No.
already asked you.
No?
Yes.
Well, I'll do it after I move out. Then I'll do it. This is my wife. It's a terrible marriage. Never. Are you married?
You wish.
Don't get married. Terrible. Don't get married. Never ever. How much is it? I don't care how it look. How much it cost?
12,000.
You lost it.
Sorry, I stayed a little bit.
All right, we're here. Mars, Chiang Mai. It's pretty dope. A lot of people love taking photos like over there. It's all over their Tinder profile. So.
Made out. Just too strong.
How much is this? How much is this? 120 baht for a photo. Ooh. Hot. All right, y'all. That was the Mars and furniture experience. It was a good video. Comment, rate, subscribe. Watch them ads so I can get paid. And I'll see you guys next time.